let's see demo of our application, what we are going to building in this section. So go to 420 and we have list of product here. We have name, description, is in store, price and action button here. So let's just add product methods, add new product. So say test product, test product detail, let's say 176758, and is store false. Save it. We have notification here, we can close it. So we have this product here and we can edit this product. So go to edit icon and just say update it, and just say save it. So we can delete our product. Let's click delete icon. We have confirmation popover. If we click this, nothing happened. If we click this, then product delete successfully to fetch our product. So let's go to view button. We can view product detail here. So we have product detail view page. You can close from here. So in this section we are going to building this simple application using .NET 8 Web API and React 18 functional, using functional component with Axios. So let's create one folder, named it full stack, and open this folder in VS Code. So open with VS Code. Inside full stack folder, let's create backend project. So run .NET new web API. Instead of minimal API, we are going to use controllers, and output folder will be API. So let's create one. This is our backend application in .NET 8. Let's see CS pros. First of all, let's install required packages. Let's press Ctrl+Shift+P and search for Nuget gallery. And here let's say EF core. This first one, install it in our API CS pros project. And another tool is EF core tools. This first one. Another one is SqlServer. For database we are going to use SqlServer. So let's install this first one. Let's see our CS pros. We have Microsoft Interframer Core, SqlServer, and EF Core tool. So this is our required packages. So let's create one folder, name it data. Inside data, let's create one class called AppDbContext, and let's inherit this class from DbContext. This comes from EF core. So let's bring from EF core, and inside here let's create constructor and inject DbContext options, and type of this is AppDbContext, and let's say option, and let's pass this option in base class. So say pass options here, and this is our AppDbContext class. Now let's go to program.cs and let's register our SQL Server connection here. So builder.services.8 dbcontext, and type of this is AppDbContext, and let's pass some options, goes op and options dot use SQL Server, and let's bring from our app setting builder.configuration.get connection string, and name of our connection string will be default connection. So let's say default connection, and let's go to app setting, and here let's say connection string, and name of connection string is default connection. So this name will be exact is our connection string here. We are going to using SQL Server, so let's pass server equal to local db and name ms SQL local db, and database name will be, let's say, product db. This is our connection string. So let's bring this little bit down. So let's break down, and now this is visible. So inside our API, let's create one folder called Modal. Inside Modal, let's create one class called product. Let's say prop integer id, and another one is this are string name, will be not nullable, and another one is, let's say, string description. Another one is, let's say, double, and price. Let's add another property called bool type of is in store. So this is our model class. Let's close another tab, and first of all, let's create migration. Let's go to AppDb, and here let's say prof DbSet, and name type product, let's say products. This is our table name. Now let's create initial migration. So run.net ef migrations. So let's go to API, and let's say .net ef migrations add, and name of our migration will be initial. So let's enter. Look, this is our migration folder. Inside here we have initial class. Inside here we have table name products, and table column array name description price and is in store. So this is our initial migration. So let's update database.net ef database update. Let's see, we have keyword not supported. We have some mistake in app setting. Okay, we have mistake here. Let's say database, and let's run again. Another error, only the variant culture is in support. For now, let's go to CS Pros, and let's disable this globalization, and let's run again. Now we have successfully updated database. So let's go to SqlServer. So SqlServer, this is our VS Code extension. So if you don't have installed, go to extension and search for SqlServer. So this is what we are going to using SqlServer. So install it and use it. So let's show Visual Studio. Let's open our database. Inside database we have product db. This is our product db database. And tables, we have one table name products, and inside here we have column id, name, description, and price, and is in store. So this is our database. Inside controller, let's create product controller. This is our product controller class. Let's inherit from controller base. This is our base class, and let's annotate with API controller, and route will be let's say API slash controller. This controller will be product. Let's save it and run our application. .NET was run. Let's inject our application DbContext private read only application AppDbContext, and name will be context. And let's create one constructor. Just type CTOR and press tab and inject AppDbContext. Name will be context, and let's initialize context and context. So first of all, let's create one method, HttpGet method, which return list of products. So let's say public async tags of product, and sorry, let's say public async task of iaction result. Let's say products and return okay, and pass await context dot product and to list async. Let's add here is no tracking. We don't need to track here. So let's click A, go to browser, refresh it. We have product controller. So let's try it out. We have nothing in database, so we have an empty array. Let's create another method. Let's say http post, and let's say public async tags iaction result, and let's say create product and pass here product class. Let's say product. Let's check if we don't have product is null, then let's return bad request. If we have product, then let's add await let's await context dot product dot add async product and add async. Let's add product here, and let's await context dot save change async after adding product and async, and return our product. We have created post method. Let's test this method. Go to browser, let's refresh it, and we have post method. Now go to here and let's try it out. We don't need id. Name product1. Let's say product1 description. Price to 124. Let's say true. Execute it. So we have success 200, meaning we have successfully created product, and the created product is returned here. So this work. To verify this, let's Ctrl Shift P and show SQL Server. Go to this DB and let's refresh it. Go to table and in product let's select of 1000. This is our product 1 and product description. Let's create another method. So let's say http get, and here let's pass id. Let's pass id here, and let's say public async tags of I action result. Let's say get product. We are going to return single product from here. Let's find this. Let's pass integer id here. So let's get product is await context dot products dot find async, and let's pass id here. So let's check first. If we don't have product is null, then return not found. Otherwise let's return okay and product. So let's save and go to browser and let's pass id1 here. So we have successfully get product with id1. We have implemented get post and get single product. So let's create another method. Let's say httpPut for updating our existing product. So let's pass id here, id, and let's say public async tags of I action result update product. Let's pass id here and let's pass product here. Let's check if id and product dot id does not equal to, then return bad request. And context dot entry product dot state equal to entity state dot modify, and let's await context dot substance async, and just return no content from here. So we have implemented put method. So let's go to browser and let's test it. So go to browser, go to put and try it out. Let's pass 1 here and let's pass 1. Just say updated. Here also let's say updated 125. Let's say false here. Just execute it. So we have 204, means we have successfully updated product. And let's verify it from here. Go to product db and refresh it. We have, let's select of 1000. We have successfully updated our database. Now let's create HttpDelete method. So let's pass id here and let's say public async tags of I action result, and let's say delete product. Let's pass id here. So first of all let's retrieve data from database. Let's say product await, and let's context dot product dot find async and pass id here. So and now check if we don't have product, this means product is null, then just return not found. If we have data, then let's remove data from database. So context dot product and remove pass product here. Await and save changes context dot save changes async. After deleted, let's return okay with product deleted product. So we have successfully implemented HttpDelete method. So let's test it. Go to browser and refresh it. We have delete method here. Let's pass one id here and let's execute. We have successfully delete. We have 200 success response. Let's verify to our database. Go to product db. Let's refresh it and let's select 1000 here. We have empty database and successfully implemented CRUD operation in web API. So next we are going to implement React frontend. Next we are going to create frontend application in React. So go to terminal and new terminal, npm create Vite at the rest, and project name will be client. We are going to using TypeScript with React. So in React select TypeScript and navigate to client and install npm install. Let's run our application. Just type npm run dev. Just control click here. This is our default template. Let's remove unwanted file. So go to src inside app. Let's remove everything from here. Just type s1 hello and just remove these things. We don't need these things also. And in app.css remove everything from here, and index.css just remove in this. Remove the css in main.ts. Let's save and go to browser. We have hello message here. Now next we are going to install Chakra UI for our frontends. So go to browser and just type chakraui.com. Click get started and just copy it from here. Terminal Ctrl C and paste it. Just press enter. Chakra UI is installed. Go to main.ts and just wrap this into Chakra Provider. Click here and just press Ctrl dot and import from Chakra UI app. Save it and just run npm run dev. Go to browser and we have hello message. We are going to use poppins font. So let's go to fonts.google.com and search for poppins and let's select it. Just select thin, extra light, italic, and this one, and let's click import here and copy this one. Go to index.js and paste it. Remove these styles here. Just add body, font family. Go to Vite config and here just add server. Inside this just type put. Just remove this code from here. Inside index poppins and sans serif. Now we have font sans. Go to chakraui.com and search for table here. Go to down and just copy this table and go to app.tsx and here just paste this table. Click Ctrl dot and click on add all missing imports. So we have imported all things from Chakra UI React. Just save and go to browser. We have this table here. Wrap this table container inside box and paste it here. Just import from Chakra UI React. Just keep some shadow md and let's make it little rounded. So rounded md, keep margin 32. Save it and go to browser. We have margin here and shadow also at this box. So let's flex px5 add inside flex, typing heading. So say product list, and this heading comes from Chakra Ui React. So import, update import. Another one is button. This button comes from Chakra UI 2. Just import this button from Chakra UI, add product, save it and go to browser. We have add product. Make these two things in justify between. So go to inflex, type justify content between, space between, and we have this space between. So we want to make this add product button color scheme blue. So save it, we have blue button. And another things we want to install is Chakra UI icon. So go to chakraui.com and search for icons. Here just copy these things and go to terminal, just paste it. Now it's installed. So just run npm run dev, go to this button and just say left icon, and icon name will be add icon. So this is our add icon. Go to browser and we have plus icon here. So where is this comes from? This comes from in here. We have add icon. So this is our table heading. Just give margin bottom from here. Go to flex and just say MB10. MB10, no, MB5 is good. So let's make it align item center. For aligning these items, go to table container, just remove this color scheme from here, and here we want it ID, product name, price, duplicate it and just say description. Another field is just duplicate it, is in store. Just remove this tr field from here and duplicate it. Remove this numeric from here and save. Go to browser. We have ID, name, description, is in store and price here. So another one is just duplicate it, say actions. We have actions column here and just duplicate this one, and I don't need this footer here, no big. Now add another popular library, Axios, for fetching data. So let's install npm install Axios. So Axios is installed. Let's run application npm run dev. First of all, remove this unused import. Create one function called constant fetch data. So say axios.get, and let's create one file, named it constant.ts. So export constant base URL. So our base URL, our API endpoint. So just copy it and paste here. Just remove product, and here just say base URL from constant dot then response. Define one state here, constant data, set data, and use state. Put from React. Here just create another folder and define our type. So let's say types. Create one file, name it product.ts, export interface product, and id number, and name string, price number, description string, and is in store boolean. These are the properties of product. So let's go to AppDbContext and just say product array, here empty array, just set data with response dot data. Just define one state, loading state. So is loading and set is loading, and use state. Initially we have false state, so type is boolean, and here in phase just say set loading state true, catch error here, so error, just console.log this error for now, and finally just disable loading, set loading false. This is our phase data method. So create one use effect, and just give empty dependency array and call this phase data here, and this data go to tr pot and data dot map, let's say product of type product equals to, let's paste it and just give key product dot id, and here just product dot id, another is name of product, just say product dot name. Here we want to print product description, product dot description, and another one is product dot is in store, and let's say product dot price. Just save it and go to browser, refresh it. We have nothing here. Go to console. Here we need to enable cross origin from backend API. So go to in program.cs, go to down, and here just enable our cross app.use course, and options goes to options dot header, allow any header, options dot allow any method, and options dot allow any origin. Save it and just kill terminal, control C, and just run application.net watch run. Go to browser and let's refresh it. Have mistake here, pass product, just append slash product, and refresh here. Now we have success response. We don't have any data, so response is empty. So just check here. If we don't have data, then just say data length is equal to 0, then show heading with no data. save it and move data. So let's make it little small, so font size 14 will be good. Okay, just give some padding here, p5 will be good, and take center, text align center. So we don't have any data, so we have no data here. Go to Swagger and just create one product from here. Let's say name product 1, product description, price 120, true. We'll just execute it, and we have successfully added. So go to browser, go to here and just refresh. We have one data here. Go to here, say it's stack, horizontal stack, just bring it down. Here just say avatar name will be product.name, add from Chakra Ui React, just save it. Go to here, we don't see name here, so just wrap it into text field, just wrap into text. This text comes from Chakra Ui, so let's save it, and we have product 1. We have is in store, just say that. So here product dot is in store, then just show s, otherwise no. Just wrap this, cut it and wrap with batch and paste it. When data is in loading state, then show skeletons. Go to src and make one folder, component. Inside component, create functional component, product skeleton ksx array fce, and remove this. Here just go to appdbContext and copy this box and paste it inside this component. So just click Ctrl dot and all missing input, remove this. This comes from Chakra Ui React, not in Farmer Motion. Instead of data, just say array dot from length. We just want to show 5 table row, and just remove these things. Sorry, this product and just the index. Here just type index. Inside here let's say 01, and name will be ad. Just for demonstration, let's remove this product and let's import text and just say product name, and here just type product description and just so yes here, and in price just type 1 to 3. Remove these things, we don't need this. Will save. So here let's wrap this with skeleton and paste it to this product. Just wrap with skeleton, duplicate this and bring down and paste it. Here also just skeleton skeleton and paste id. Just copy and paste here, just SqlServer and just copy this, paste here, and just rename here, just paste it, and description is in store, just paste and is in store, just paste and price, just paste and actions. Let's save it. So go to app.tsx, just for demonstration, just return, just say if is loading, then return product skeleton. So let's save it and go to browser. We don't see anything because the data is coming immediately. To demonstration this, go to product controller and let's delay some time. So await tags.delay and just save it, go to browser, refresh it. So we have loading skeleton inside here. Just go to paste it skeleton and type name, just paste skeleton and say product description. Here also just paste and say yes now. So paste it and 1 2 3 same as sound. So we have some, instead of showing avatar we want to circle skeleton circle and ad, just type ad, refresh it. We have, and here also just paste it and 1 2. Look, we have beautiful skeleton head. Add product also make it, just wrap this skeleton with and refresh it. Now it's look good. It look like just bigger, so just to give some font size here, just go to appsettings and go to product list heading and set font size 18. Just save it and maybe 20 is good. It look like good now. So in action just add some button, go to here and just add here, just type let's stack and first of all edit icon, another is delete icon, and another is view icon. So let's save it, go to browser and we have 3 icon. So just give it color blue and save it. We have blue color, and just say box size 22 and here just give gap 43 will be good, and just copy these things and paste it, color red, and here just paste it, color green. So this is our icon. Here we don't see any skeleton, so let's add skeleton there. So go to product skeleton, instead of this just show circle skeleton circle 1 2 3 3 circle, just save it and just need to wrap with s stack. So paste it, go to app.tsx and size sm. So let's save it, and we have small size avatar. Now implement add product method. Go to Chakra UI and search for modal here and click modal. Add it. To have this modal, so let's copy this modal and go to code, collapse this inside component. Let's create one functional component for form.tsx. So that it, just type array fce react functional component, just remove this react, paste it and remove these things, and here remove this button, and here click control dot and add all missing imports, remove it. Modal body, just remove these things and unclose is open, bring from parent component, just say is open and unclose, define one type here, type top, go to here, just type is open boolean and unclose void, add here product from props. Let's remove this unused declaration. This is our model. So how can we launch model from AppDbContext? So go to AppDbContext and here just say constant is open on close on open, use disclosure. So go to bottom and source say if is open, then just show product from, import this component, so control dot and import from product form. So just pass here some props, so is open and is open on close and on close. For calling on open, go to add product and find this on click, so on open, save it and go to browser, click add product. We have beautiful model. Refine this, go to product form and instead of model title just add product and model body. For this just give some shadow, yes, and save it. We have shadow here. Inside model body, let's create input field, type text and just close. We have one input field, so let's save placeholder name. So we have name, and another field is text area. Close this, save it, and here placeholder will be product description what and wrap with its stack. So here let's paste it and gap 3. So we have little gap here. Just want to give 4 here, it will be good. And another one is input type number. This is for price, placeholder price and just close it. We have price here. Another one is switch, add switch, and we have switch here, add text and is in store, bring text here. So let's save it, just bring this in start. So here in v stack add align item self start and just save it. Go to here, we have is in store, have toggleable field, modify this to button, go to product form and here remove this color scheme. So save it, variant post, run this button and just say save variant just add color scheme here to define one stated. So constant product set product use state, and let's add here id, name string, description empty string, price also null, and is in store false. Add inside input field value product dot name. In onChange event, just say event goes to set product and just product, and name will be e dot target dot value will be product dot description. On change event goes to set product and description will be e dot target dot value, and here value will be product dot price. On change event, let's pass event goes to set product, add product, and description in price will be e dot target dot value, parse it in, parse in and paste it here. Just go to price and just say 0 here. Inside switch it set equal to product dot is in store. In onChange event, onChange, so e goes to set product, just add product, and is in store e dot target dot save. So let's save it, print json dot and product, save it, go to browser, id 0, name, just type it, we have description, and let's enable, so it works. Remove it. On save button, let's find click event on save, just go to here and add constant on save is equal to console.log, just pass product here and go to browser, let's save, we have product. Now let's create product here. So Axios dot post base URL, and let's concat with product, and let's pass product from here, and then response goes to just log response dot cache, and error, just log error here. So let's go to browser and test description into 5, save, go to network, we have 200 success. We have successfully add product, but after adding product, so let's close this model. So go to save method and then just on close. So this, let's go to browser and refresh it. Let's try one, add product description 1 and 1.5, and install. Let's say yes, just save. We have successfully saved here, but we don't have updated product here. So how can we do that? So we can refresh our data from parent component. We can refresh our data by just say face product city, and type is void, we don't return anything. So here just pass face product, and after close, let's face data, and go to AppDsX. Just pass here face data to face data, face product to face data. So let's try again. Description 1 2 and let's save it. So now we have successfully added and show latest data here. We have added data but confirmation after adding product, so we are going to display toast after successfully adding product. Let's define toast. Let's go to onSave method. After successfully save, let's say toast and title product edit and description will be product edit success. So let's say ClosServer true duration 1000 seconds. So let's save and test here. So just add one product, test product 2. Let's say 1 2 3 is in store true. Just save it. We have successfully added product, and look, we have product edit notification here. Now implement edit product. So I am going to use this product form for editing product. First of all, let's go to AppDsX and here just define one state. Let's set current data and set current data. Let's use state and define another method here. So let's say get product it accept id which type is number. When click to edit icon, then just fetch product from backend with their id. So let's bind click method here and just say get product, just pass product.id from here, go to here and just fetch product by their id. So let's say Axios and get which type is product and base URL and just concat with product slash and add id here, and then response goes to just log. For now just log it into console, then error catch it. So error also just log in console. Let's save it and go to browser, Ctrl+Shift+I, then just press edit icon. So we have successfully fetched our data by the product id 2. This is our product. So after fetching product, let's set current product to with response.data and just remove this from here. So we have current data here. For filling of this product form, we should pass this data from component. So let's say current data equal to current data, just edit this current data and say set current data, and here just set current data and just add product type here and just say empty is product. Just pass current data in our form. So go to product form, just control click here and here get current data, this can be nullable, type is product, get current data, and instead of 0 let's say current data dot id. If we don't have current data dot id, then just 0, and if we have current data dot name, empty. So current data dot description, if we don't have description, then just show empty string. So if we have current data dot price, then show it. If we don't have this, just show 0. And if we have current data and is in store, just show. If we don't have any is in store, then show false here. Save it and save this also. Go to browser, let's test it. Let's create console and go to network, just press this one, and we have 2 and successfully fetch data, but we don't have invoke open dialog method. So for that, go to edit and just go to get product. After setting current data, just call on open and just save and go to browser, click edit. Here we have data product 1 and description. For updating, let's go to product form and just extract this method and just create another method instant on 8. Just paste it and let's create another method. Just copy this method and duplicate it. Just say edit product, and edit this add product. Just check here, if we have current data, then just call edit product, otherwise call add product method. And here let's change this method into put, and we have product. Let's revisit our controller. Go to product controller and inside here go to put method. We need to pass id and product, so go to product form and append /plus current data dot id and product data. Let's test our method. Go to browser and just refresh it, click on this icon. Let's say product 1 updated and save it. We have some error here, we have mistake here. Let's say edit product and add product. Save it and let's test it. So let's click here and let's say update it and save it. We have product successfully added. Instead of edit, so updated message here, product updated and product updated. Let's test now. Let's click this icon and just say v2, save it. Just we have updated product, updated v2. We have successfully implemented edit. Let's fix our minor bug. Let's click add product. We have already fetched data here, so to make this form empty, we should handle on open method inside app component. So go to add product and just say handle add is create one method handle add. Here just call on open and set current data empty product. So go to browser, refresh it, and let's click in add product. We have empty form. Let's implement delete method. For confirmation dialog, go to chakraui.com and go to search and search for popover. Click it, and inside here just trigger this, copy it and go back to code. Inside here just paste it, just control click and add all missing import. So instead of this trigger button, replace with our original button. So let's copy code from here, paste it into here, just save it and check it out. We have this popcorn form. Let's customize it information and just say add insert to delete this and test. We have this message, add popover footer. So popover footer, inside popover footer let's create one button and just say delete. Just say float right. We have floated right button. Let's change color. So color scheme red. Just test it. We have red bind on delete handle. So let's pass product.id and go to here. Let's say constant and delete. We have on delete handle. So just say on delete handle and just get id number. So let's invoke our method axios.delete, just say base URL and just add product and slash here plus id. Just then after successful delete, just show toast here. Constant toast, use toast, which comes from Chakra UI. So go to down and inside delete method. So just say toast and pass here title product deleted description, product deleted successfully and is closable true. Duration will be 1000 milliseconds. Just save it, cache here. So just say error, just console.log get error. Let's go to browser and test it. Just press it and first of all let's open developer console and delete, click delete button. So we have product delete successfully. Go to network tab. We have successfully implement delete method also. After deleting, So let's refresh our product. So after here, just paste data again. Now implement view detail method, close everything, control KW inside component. Let's create view detail component, view detail.tsx array fce, remove these things, and for viewing detail of the product we are going to use drawer. So let's go to chakraui.com and search for drawer, click drawer, just open it. Let's copy it, paste it here. So let's remove these things and just press Ctrl dot and add all missing imports. We don't need these things now. Remove this and remove this one. Let's define type view detail props. Let's say is open, type boolean, close, say void, and current data whose type is product. Go to method and add view detail props. So it is open, close, current data. So let's save it. Just control click and remove all news imports. Go to AppDs and here go to view detail, bind until view detail id, just pass product.id, just copy it and let's define method here, just paste it, and id, this type is number, just paste data by id, this axios.get, this type will be product, base url plus product and slash, just open id and then response, the set current data with res dot data. So just catch error and log error, just save it, open drawer, just add one another disclosure. So let's duplicate it and is open, view dialog open, view dialog close, view dialog open. After setting current data, just open view dialog open. If we have view dialog open, then just view detail and pass is open, view dialog open, close with view dialog close, and current data, just save it and go to browser, refresh it and click view. We have some error here, so go to network, we have 404, which means we not found, just to header, typo mistake, we have product here and just fix it, PRODUCT, and on view dialog open. So just save it and go to browser. Let's test it. We have open drawer, so let's go to detail dialog, and instead of create account, just say view detail current data dot name. Just go to here. We have view detail test. Just remove these things. It's step. Just add as step, and here add avatar name current data dot name and size LG. Just save it. Yeah, let's add heading here, which comes from Chakra Ui React. Just control click. Font size 16 pixel. Just print name here current data dot name. Just save it. Text, which comes from Chakra Ui React, and add here product description current data dot description. Just add here v stack. Save it and align item self start. So just starting from here. So let's add another heading and just say current data dot price. Just add font size 18. Maybe 20 will be good, and annotate with dollar. This is our view detail component. Let's remove this save button and let's say close. Go to close. Click this icon. We have view detail. Just delete. Click delete. We have successfully deleted. Just edit. Successfully saved. We have successfully updated data, and just add new product data. Just say to 5 and is in store false. Save it. So we have some error here, so go to console. Let's create test product, test description. Save it. We have some errors. Just go to console. We have calling put method here, so go to product form. Instead of checking current data, just say current data dot id. If we have id, then edit product, otherwise add product. Let's click save. We have successfully added product. We have test product here. Remove it. Successfully removed. In this way, we can perform CRUD operation in .NET 8 Web API and React 18.